Welcome to Windermere Property Management, the premier vacation rental management company serving the greater Maricopa County. We are pleased to offer a full range of contracts and maintenance services. Our management fees include all services with no hidden fees. We provide enforceable vacation rental agreements for protection of your property by handling all time-consuming paperwork, enforcing the vacation rental agreement terms and policies, requiring all guests to complete vacation rental applications, screening guests and reviewing identification documents. Communication is key to the success of our services. We will communicate all necessary maintenance, repairs, and assist in scheduling with vendors. Provide an accounting payable system, allowing vendors to be paid by direct deposit. Complete checkout inspections between guests. Arrange for cleaning prior to check-ins and after maintenance projects. Handle all communication with owners, guests, and vendors. Follow up with guests after their stay to secure positive 5-star reviews. Please contact us at Windermere Property Management to learn more about our contracts and maintenance services. We're happy to provide our agreements via email with electronic signatures. DocuSign is an electronic email signature format, making it simple to execute all required agreements. If you're interested in purchasing or selling, please contact our Windermere Real Estate Sales Division. Our expert sales agents will be happy to help you. We look forward to working with you.